Hello friends, how are you? And in today's video I tell you that how you can split your music and vocals from any song by using AI website. First of all, listen this song. Now listen this one. There is a difference, right? So without wasting any further time, let's start the video. So first of all, come to the Chrome browser and search for vocalremover.media.io. I am provided this link in the description also, and simply search out and get started online. Now simply login. I have already logged in this website. You can also log in. This is free of cost, and simply upload your MP3 file format. There are many websites in the internet like convertio.co in which you can change the format of any video like MP4 to MP3 like this, and simply click on convert, and there is no big issue. So when you upload your audio, simply separate. Now you can not only separate vocals and background music, you can also separate drums and without drums. So simply click on separate now, and after some seconds it separates your vocals and background music of your song without any cost. Means this is totally free. And after waiting some time, this is the result. There is the original song and this is the background music and this is the vocals. Check this out. And this is the vocals. Check this out. Now simply click on download option and you can download both background music and vocals separately. So this is the video. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to never miss latest updates, and I will meet you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.